Use the replacement plank to carefully set the depth on the circular saw. Carefully place that and then put our weight on it to keep it from moving. Once everything is cut, we've turned it into 5 separate pieces now. We should be able to remove the centerpiece and then simply unclick Once we've vacuumed it, be sure these corners are cleaned out. Any little bit of debris in here is going to hold up your replacement plank. So we did okay here, but if you happen to cut too deep and you cut through the padding, that's why we have the clear packaging tape. Next step in preparing the plank, we're going to remove the long side tongue. Make sure your table saw is unplugged. Raise the blade so it cuts just to the top, just to the very top of the tongue. The final step in preparing the replacement plank is to cut the short side groove off. First thing we want to do is dry fit the plank. We're going to click the long side groove into the existing tongue on the adjacent planks, kind of put it back into place and make sure that it's going to fit. Once we've done that, now we can apply a generous bead of Mega Glue into the existing groove, long side, short side, and also down here the short side tongue.